There are mixed feelings about Jamaica's chances of qualifying for the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup. This evening, as the delegation is now in the Dominican Republic for the CONCACAF tournament. There is consensus that the squad assembled by the technical staff led by head coach Xavier Gilbert is a good one. The 20-player squad represents a blend of experience and newly discovered talent. The dilemma, though, is the same that faced the senior Reggae Girlz: not enough training time together. It's something that is causing chair of the JFF's Women's Football Committee, Elaine Walker-Brown, sleepless nights.
Because when you look at the time that these young ladies have been training, I recently did an under-20 overseas, and I'm worried. With the quality that I see that is coming from our Caribbean nation, I don't think that we are prepared enough to take on this.
Coach Gilbert is well aware that chemistry is critical no matter the talent that resides in the squad, but he's hopeful they've done enough.
It's the first time that we'll be assembling all of the girls together. That's the sad part about it. And then we're going to only have one training session for only an hour. So, I mean, it gets tougher as we go along. But we're going to make the best use of it. We're Jamaicans and we just have to adapt, and we have to understand the circumstances with the pandemic and all of that. And most of at this level, the young ladies are in school, and some came in December, some came in January, some came in February, and we just have to make the best use of it.
Walker-Brown is confident in the ability of the coaching staff and the talent the players possess, but is concerned based on what other territories have done in preparation.
When I try to find out what they are doing, these countries are in training. If you notice, our teams they don't even train 1 week straight. They come in Wednesdays, leave Sundays, and that sort of thing, and they were not in any form of competition or anything to say like the overseas ones that they are playing, so it's concerned me a lot.
Jamaica, drawn in Group H, will face Guatemala on Saturday, Cuba next Monday, and round out their group assignments against Haiti on Wednesday, March 2. The top 3 teams of the tournament will qualify for the 2022 FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup and will join host nation Costa Rica as the CONCACAF representatives.